you see this? Do you see this and do you see this? If they are pulled apart, yeah, honestly, I'm not really good at drawing. It looks like this, right? If you take apart the centromere, it looks like this. Like they're just two squiggles. Chromosomes are when it's been crossed and when it's been connected. Separately, these are not chromosomes, they are chromatids. So two chromatids joined together by a centromere makes exactly. Thank you, B. Mom is about to
Make what? Make what?
A chromosome. So these vocabulary words are important because I'm going to use them. So after I explain them, you have to understand them because I'm not going to explain them again. I'm just going to use them.
What if I forget the vocabulary?
It's okay. You're not going to learn this yet. Okay. So the meiotic spindle. This is meiotic spindle because mitosis. Yeah. Anyway, this spindle. Okay. It will connect to the chromatids. It's not connected to the chromosomes.
Chromatids?
Were you listening?
Chromatids?
It's gonna basically the chromatid is one side of the chromosome.
Oh, okay.
The chromosome is only a chromosome when it's connected by the centromere at the like the circle in the middle, and then PMAT, and then in anaphase. Anaphase is when it's like okay. So it's like they captured onto the target and they're getting ready to pull it to each side. So, what this means...
Vi hiểu không? Vi không hiểu gì hết. Trang test Vi chưa?
Honestly, don't even mind that it's incorrect numbers. Okay, yeah, let's see. Okay, so now, this is what's happened. Do you notice anything? They have just taken these X's and they have literally like connected to the chromatids and are pulling them
Together.
No, they're pulling them towards opposite poles. These are poles.
Okay.
So now they are pulling them. And don't you see something? Doesn't it look a bit similar? That's because they're pulling them towards opposite sides of the cell so that when the cell divides from the middle, each cell will have its own material ready to make its own cell. So they've already doubled all the organelles. So look, they have taken the chromatids. They have lined them so basically, cell randomly aligned and metaphase plate these are chromosomes get pulled apart. So when the cell splits, they are two cells with each of their own organelles. So this is just making sure that when the cell splits, imagine the cell just split normally. One side would have a nucleus, one side would have a Golgi body, one side would have endoplasmic reticulum. It wouldn't be even, right? If a cell just randomly splits, what if all the good material goes to that side and like a lysosome goes to the other one? The lysosome one won't survive because it doesn't have all the material it needs to make a cell. This is ensuring that there's equal materials and organelles on each side of the cell so that when it divides in the middle, it's going to create two perfectly same cells. Thanks, Mom.
That's mitosis.
So it is pulling that way. This is telophase. Oh no, this is not telophase. It's not telophase either. This is a pretty okay telophase. Okay.
Giống củ lạc quá. Look like a peanut.
Not really.
Thế giống cái gì đi?
A peanut. A peanut is more curved.
Thế cái này giống con lợn con.
What?
Looks like a piglet.
No, it doesn't, Mom. I just disagree to disagree.
Bà điên. Cô giáo ơi.
So now, do you see this chromosome? It is now split into separate chromatids. Do you see this? It's pulling each other apart. Do you see this? Now all of the spindle fibers have dissolved. They're no longer pulling because now instead of pulling it to different sides, the cell is splitting.
This
This is all preparation for this, the cell to split. Imagine the Earth divided in two. What if the U.S. is on one side? What if all the powerful countries, U.S., China, Russia, are on one side, and the other side has like
What
Congo,
does AP
Trinidad?
biology have to do with
No,
the...
I'm trying to get you guys to understand.
Okay.
What if the world split like in half? Wouldn't you rather have every country split in half and be on the other side of the world?
Yeah.
Like there would be two Americas. Like this would have one half America, this would have the other half America.
That's better.
One half, exactly. So they're even, right? Because if this side has like America, Russia, China, and this side has like
Somalia, Vietnam,
Congo,
Cambodia.
Trinidad, it's not going to be fair, right?
Okay.
So this is exactly what it's doing. It is splitting every
Where
chromosome.
is Trinidad?
Shh. Trinidad and Tobago? Right? Yeah, thanks. Okay, so this one is splitting all the countries' chromosomes into different sides. So when the world splits, the cell splits, it's going to be producing two genetically identical diploid cells. Identical. So that's why your muscle cells are different from each other. That's what. But you need. The thing is, in meiosis, it creates two genetically different ones. No, yeah, two genetically different ones because you need variation. You guys get it?
Yeah.
What did I just say? I can't be your first round.
V, can you repeat that?
Yeah.
Repeat what the professor just said.
Yeah.
Okay, so, and these lines, this is the nuclear envelope beginning to reform. So this is going to be the new nucleus. This is going to be the new nucleus, okay? Then eventually, it will go to cytokinesis, where you end up with two cells, which now have a fully formed nucleus, because now this is going to form into a nucleus, and some centrosomes.
What is it called? What is it called? What is it called? That step.
This is cytokinesis.
Cytokinesis. Oh, okay. Cytokinesis.
Okay,
We remember that.
Do you guys get all of this?
Yeah.
Okay. So based on what I just said,
Oh no.
okay guys, so what happens in interphase?
Is
Resting.
Resting?
đúng rồi, resting.
Okay, and then what happens in prophase? Next one.
It's
The nuclear envelope starts to disappear, and then the chromosomes? Centrosomes.
pulling it apart.
Poles.
No, they don't pull it apart yet. They just migrate to different poles. Okay.
And then
the chromosomes start to condense and become visible. Before, you didn't see the chromosomes because they were in the nucleus. Now the nuclear envelope has disappeared, exposing everything inside. That means the chromosomes start condensing. Okay, next.
And then there's
cái gì cis đấy là it becomes two identical.
No, you
No?
skipped 5 phases.
okay.
I skipped
What
one.
is the line? What is the
I was
the
horrible
metaphase
about
plate. Because this is metaphase, so this is the metaphase plate.
Okay, the chromosomes.
I didn't know where my uterus
align
was.
at the metaphase plate.
What does that have to do with anything?
I didn't know where my uterus was before the surgery. So.
What is the spider webs called?
The spindle fibers.
And then the spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes.
But no, they don't attach to the chromosomes, they attach to the chroma.
Chromatids.
Yes.
Vi được mấy điểm
And
cô?
then the next one?
10 million.
Next one, anaphase.
They pull apart to the chromatids to either side.
And then what next?
Cô.
Next is
Next là hình củ lạc đấy, peanut đấy.
Telophase.
Telophase. Yes, Mom, you're the worst student I've ever encountered. Telophase. What happened to telophase to me? I did not know where my uterus was.
Nó sắp sửa split in half.
Mom, this is telophase. It is splitting in half.
Yeah, it is splitting in half.
So this is when the cell divides. This is when there's like, it's like this. Looks like a peanut. because
it's
the
not.
cell is like the cell was one. Oh no, this is a good definition. The cell was one.
And then
the chromosomes lined up in the middle. It pulled. Now the cell is two. So look, that.
Ôi.
Yes, OMG, you're so smart.
Thanks.
Mom, I honestly wish you weren't my student. How are you a teacher?
What is in the chromosome?
I was not teaching biology. Đi ngủ đi. Mẹ buồn ngủ rồi.
No, Mom.
Trang đi, Trang mẹ đi ngủ nhá. Trang về phòng Trang đi. Học bài nữa đi.